What surprised me the most about this mount is how robust it feels for something this small. The hinges are tight with zero sag, even when the arm is fully extended. The 6 N52 magnets are impressively strong too, giving a firm, confident grab that locks on and stays locked. That matters a lot if you're using this for anything beyond a phone. The ring doubles as a MagSafe connection for compatible phones, and it can act as a stand for action and pocket cameras. It also comes with an extra metal ring and 2 metal plates for those non-compatible devices. Of course, you'll be able to attach the mount to any surface a magnet can adhere to. The magnetic base has rubber padding which also allows you to stand your device on a flat surface like a desk or table. Although this is an Arca Swiss compatible plate, I found it didn't fit with my particular tripod head because it was too long. Of course, you can attach a different Arca Swiss plate via the 1/4-20 screw thread. Between the 360-degree rotation and the fact that it folds down to almost nothing, this is a highly versatile accessory. For anyone who wants one mount that can effortlessly handle a phone, or an action camera, or a pocket camera, this hits the mark. Highly recommended.